Hi there, my name is Micah Mitchell and I am a Dynamics AX Support Specialist with Clients First Business Solutions. This is the first of a few short videos highlighting ProMRO functionality. We will begin with a brief overview of ProMRO and how customer equipment can easily be tracked by using the Equipment Table feature. Then subsequent videos will cover different areas that make up the total ProMRO package. ProMRO enhances Microsoft Dynamics AX project by utilizing predefined templates and forms and providing customer equipment traceability. ProMRO starts when bringing customer-owned equipment into your shop for refurbishment. This equipment can be received into the system several different ways, for example, through a sales order or a return order. We want to keep complete control of the used serviceable material as it moves through our system. So we are going to allocate it to a project and then utilize ProMRO to track the customer equipment. Project does all of its standard tracking of serial numbers and purchase orders, and then all of that information can be traced back to the customer-specific equipment. Dynamics AX makes it easy to receive in customer-owned equipment and disassemble the equipment while keeping track of serial numbers. And ProMRO makes it possible to link everything to the customer-owned equipment. So it is truly a team effort to make sure the serviceable material is allocated to the customer-owned equipment. It all starts with the equipment details table. So we're going to go ahead and go into the equipment details table here in the ProMRO module. The equipment table keeps track of generic and customer equipment. So you start out with generic equipment. So if you have several different DC motors, for example, from different manufacturers, you can make several different entries for DC motor generic equipment and then utilize those templates when you're creating customer specific equipment. So for our example today, we have generic equipment. We have several generic equipments to pick from. One of them is from manufacturer ABB, for example, and the other two don't have manufacturers. So when you are creating customer-specific equipment, you can select from these templates that are already created, which will allow you to select the correct details when creating customer-specific equipment. So we're going to go ahead and go to customer number 75 because I know that we have a few good examples in here for customer 75. Here you can see all of the quotes and all of the projects allocated or that have been done and are associated with this equipment. So if the customer called in, for example, and said, hey, I need to know what's going on with serial number 101, you can always just look up serial number 101 and you can see, well, we've quoted it. This day we've quoted it and it was a project. It was created into a project and we can go ahead and look at that project for you and let you know exactly what we did to that equipment. Then you can go ahead and go through the entire history of any time that customer-specific equipment has come into your shop. So it's a great tool to have on hand when customers call in and just want to know what's been going on with a certain serial number. You can also see, when you've actually won quotations. So all of the quotations that have been converted into a project are listed here. And then if a quotation was canceled, you can look at that and see why maybe that quotation was canceled. Or if you guys decided not to quote on a specific repair or something, then you can also see that here. And on this projects tab, you can see all of the projects associated with that equipment. So you can easily go to any project and see what's been done and where it's been done. So that is all for now. Look for our next short video where we will be discussing the importance of capturing engineering values. Thank you.